Welcome to our lesson about the Break Corner tool. The Break Corner tool creates a smoother edge for sheet metal parts. We can access it from Insert on the main menu, Sheet Metal, and Break Corner. When this tool is active, a selection filter applies. I'm only able to select faces or corner edges. If I try to select any longer edges, SOLIDWORKS is not going to let me do so. Let's select a few corner edges. They appear in the selection area with our preview in yellow. We can also select faces. Under Break Type, we choose between Chamfer and Fillet. In this value field below, we enter the distance value for the chamfer or the radius value for the fillet. Let's click OK at this point. Go to the Features tab. Now let's activate the Chamfer tool. And let's select a corner, let's say here. Click OK. Now let's apply a fillet. I'll select this edge. Give it a 5 mm radius. Tab to accept and click OK. As you can see, any one of these tools, the fillet, the chamfer, or the break corner will work. Which you use is a matter of your personal preference. This concludes our lesson about the Break Corner tool.